Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I have tried to include few healthy recipes which you could try out this quarantine time to keep your family healthy and to boost their immunity. A combination of honey and black cumin, that's kalonji. First thing in the morning or during the day, if you have any symptom of throat infection or any other type of disease, this is a sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It says that black cumin has the power to cure any disease except death. Instead, you could also use the black seed oil, around half teaspoon, mixing with some honey. Next is the immunity boosting drink, which I prepare in large quantity and make sure that the whole family drinks it once or twice a day. Into a pot, add 6 to 7 cups of water, then add grated ginger, around 2.5 tablespoons. Here I am using a clay pot to prepare this, which I use only for preparing veg curries. Next ingredient is 1 small piece of raw turmeric. This is almost 1 tablespoon. Now allow this to boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You can either have this warm or let it cool at room temperature, but make sure that you try to finish it the same day and prepare a new batch for the next day. Next is ABC juice, which is a healthy juice with no added sugar. These are the ingredients: an apple, a carrot and a beetroot. Clean and then chop them. Next, add the chopped ingredients into a blender along with half cup of water and then blend it into a fine paste. Strain and then add remaining water, around 2.5 cups. Next, add lime juice, around 2 tablespoons. Next, salt to taste. And then finally, some fresh mint leaves. So now the refreshing ABC juice is ready. Next is a special beetroot juice. For that, here I am using half of a beetroot, 1 lemon and 1 small piece of ginger, and for sweetness, some brown sugar. So here I am adding all the ingredients except the lemon into a blender along with 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. While preparing healthy juices, try to reduce the level of sugar and then adding 1 cup of water and blending it. Next, to get rid of the rose flavor of the beetroot, slightly cooking this blended mixture. I have added here more water, around 1 cup more, so in total 2 cups of water. We have to just slightly cook this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then it will be ready. As I have blended it, it's easy to get cooked. Now allow this mixture to cool. Next, into a serving glass, add juice of 1 lemon along with a pinch of salt. Then strain and add the juice. So the simple and refreshing beetroot juice is ready. You could also try this for Ramadan. Next is a simple and healthy porridge which you could have for lunch. half cup green lentil, then half cup horse lentil, 1/4 cup of moong dal, then goes 1.5 cups of white rice. You can also use basmati rice or any kind of rice. Along with the rice and the cereals goes half teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Now wash this thoroughly and then cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Now this is perfectly cooked. Next add salt as per your taste. To make it more tasty, I am adding here coconut paste, which is grinded along with some cumin seeds. You can also use coconut milk. After adding the coconut, just simmer and then it's ready to serve. To serve along with this, I am also preparing a simple Kerala avial and also a small chutney. For that I am using here some bilimbi, or also known as irimbampuli in our local language. This is some shallots and green chilies crushed. Next add the bilimbis, which I have preserved by adding some salt. Slightly mash and mix, and then finally finish off with some coconut oil. So this was our healthy lunch. Next is a very nutritious and a different type of upma recipe, which you can either prepare for dinner or even for breakfast. To heated pan, add coconut oil around 2 tablespoons. Then splatter some mustard seeds. You could also splatter some urad dal if you wish. Then add 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of grated ginger, then 1 green chili. If you want more spiciness, you can add more green chilies. Then goes chopped carrots, onion, beans, and then some zucchini, and then some sweet corn. You can add any type of vegetables as per your wish. Slightly saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, I am going to use here this type of rava, which is broken wheat semolina. You have to slightly wash this, passing through a strainer. Next, add the washed wheat semolina, and then we have to mix it all together and then cook for again 1 minute. Add salt as per your taste. Next, pour hot boiling water, and this water should stand above the level of the semolina. Next, cover and cook on medium to low flame until the water is completely dried out. To make this upma very nutritious, adding some microgreens. After mixing well, add the chopped microgreens. Now cook the upma for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. If you will leave it uncovered for at least 5 minutes, it will become more dry. Then you can finish off with adding some peanuts for extra taste and crunch. Try making your dinner simple by including soups and leafy vegetables. This is a soup recipe which I have shared earlier. This is a green soup which I have tried recently and came out very yummy. This is purely with green vegetables, and to impress the kids I have added some sweet corn and noodles without adding the flavoring. So do prepare and serve healthy dishes to your family. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.